By the end of this video, you're going to be a pro at elevating your outfit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because this is an educational video and I'm always very excited to share my knowledge of outfits and styling with you guys. So I'm going to be sharing my 5 steps to elevate any outfit. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before starting the video, I would like to thank Teddyblake for sponsoring this video. They make handbags with premium Italian leather which can withstand the test of time. It's beautifully handcrafted. Their designs are really timeless and also unique, and you get a lot of options to choose from. Their price is also very fair compared to the other luxurious brands, and they were kind enough to send me this beautiful bag here. So I'm gonna be using this bag for the different outfits I will be showing you for the rest of the video. So that's the beautiful bag. Isn't it gorgeous? The color, the size, the quality, everything is just amazing. Just once you can just take it off, and then there is this magnetic closure, and that's how it looks from inside. It has got beautiful suede interior. Logo is also like very minimal, so it looks very nice. Really nice detailing at the bottom. You can hook the crossbody straps here. The crossbody strap is also adjustable. Given this is a luxury designer bag, I'm really impressed with how affordable it was, and also the quality is just amazing. So highly recommend this. Do use my coupon code mentioned on the screen to get extra 30% discount. So grab that opportunity to get this beautiful lovely bag. So there are a few rules which I follow when I get ready. So starting with the number 1 rule, first is the 3 color rule. Now this is, I think, a very obvious one and most of you might have heard about it. So 3 colors means you need to use only, or try to use up to 3 colors in the outfit. You can always grab more colors in your outfit. There is no like thumb rule, but this is if you are not sure what to wear and you're confused and you want to just quickly get ready. This rule always helps. It's not that you can mix red, green, blue and that's the 3 colors in your outfit and you're good to go. It doesn't work like that. 2 colors would be either complementary, for example blue and cream. Now instead of the complementary colors, you can also use 2 monotonous color. Monotone colors are like light brown and dark brown. Third one will always be a neutral color, example black, beige, nude color, tan, brown or gray color. Step number 2 is creating symmetry. So for me, I would be creating symmetry by creating some shape in the outfit. I always follow the 2/3 1/3 rule, where the upper part would be around 1/3 and the lower part would be 2/3, because it gives you a nice proportionate look and it balances out your outfit in a way that it's visually very pleasing. Third one is tight loose method or very loose method. So always make sure if I'm wearing something very loose on the top, I'll probably go for something tighter at the bottom, and if it's very loose in the bottom, I'll probably go tighter on the top. If both are not an option, then I always follow the 2/3 1/3 rule. Fourth step, which is the most important step I feel, is accessorizing right. Some jewelry like a bracelet, watch, earring, because this makes the outfit really elevated. The final step would be just some finishing touches. So for example, sometimes if I put my hair down, it might not look with the particular outfit, so I'll play around with it. I'll probably make a messy bun or a ponytail, fold your sleeves a bit more. Those final touches does make a huge difference. So let me show you how I style my outfits using these steps. So let's get started. For the first outfit, I'm going to be doing casual outfit with a t-shirt and denim using the first rule, which is the 3 color rule. So for my 2 colors, I'm going to be using the denim, which is blue, and the green, so which are complementing to each other. Third color I will be incorporating into my shoes and the bag, so that would be my third neutral color. Added this denim, so these are wide leg jeans, so you can see how it looks. Step 2, which is the 2/3 1/3 rule, I'll be doing it by tucking in the t-shirts. Now coming to the third rule, you don't have to follow this because you have already used the 2/3 1/3 rule by tucking in this t-shirt. So you're already creating that tight part here and the loose part is this and this. So in this situation, this and this is the looser part and this is the tighter part, which creates nice symmetry. Next step is to add accessories. Added a watch, bracelet, some rings, and I have a small little stud here, some layered jewelry. I'll be carrying the third color, which will be my bag's color, and I'll be matching that color with my footwear to pull the whole outfit together. I've added these shoes, and I'm going to be adding this cute little bag. And the final touches, I've already done my hair for the videos. For the next look, I'm going to be wearing this beautiful jumper following the 3-color rule. My first color is this color green, second would be the black, which would be the skirt, and that's the skirt I'll be wearing. I'll add the third color in the accessories. Already followed the second rule, which is the 1/3 2/3 rule. I have already tucked in the sweater, so you can see it's just creating that 1/3 top and 2/3 bottom. Following the third rule, which is the loose tight rule, so you can again see this is a bit loose and the bottoms are a bit loose, but we have made the waist cinched in, so that's the tighter part of it. So that way we have ticked off the third rule. So the fourth rule is accessories, same bag. So this is the neutral third color. I'm going to be wearing these sneakers and it will match with my bags. I've added sneakers for a casual day out, but if you're going to a dinner or a date night, maybe switch this up with some nice nude sandals. Already wearing the watch, bracelet, layered necklace. Just the final step would be doing my hair, which I'm going to leave it open. So rolling up my sleeve a little bit so that it looks a bit more feminine. So yeah, that's the finished look. Okay, so till now it was really easy. I'll show you how I would style if I have got like outerwear as well. These are black pants, so this would be my neutral color of choice, and I'll be using these two monotone color. So beige and brown are from the same family. That would be the third color. We will be following first the 1/3 2/3 rule. So this is kind of 1/3 and this is the 2/3. Also, it's kind of going with the third step, which is the tight loose rule. So this is like the tighter top and this is like a loose straight or wide leg pants. When we add the blazer, I'm still following the tight loose rule because this is the tight and the outerwear should be loose. So I'm adding this like loose blazer. For the footwear, I'll go with the color of the bag to get a seamless finish. I've added this belt. I'm going to be adding these hoops. I'm going to add this bag and also these nude flats. I chose this color for my bag and also my shoes, but you can choose from any of these colors. So final touches, I'll probably roll up my sleeves a bit. This is the final look. I understand there might be situations where you don't want to wear a high-waisted pant or denim. It might highlight this region a lot, and if you want to hide this, then I have a solution for you. So the next outfit I will be wearing something oversized. Rule number 1, again sticking with the 3 colors, I am going for a very safe color option here, white, denim, and probably third one would be a neutral bag. You can always add black as well. I have purposefully worn a shirt which is longer, so this is going to be the 2/3 of the outfit, and the denim part would be the 1/3, which would be the shorter part. Next rule would be the tight loose rule. So I followed that with a looser shirt, so you don't have to worry about your tummy showing, and I have paired it with a tighter denim. So here I'm wearing a flared denim, which is absolutely perfect if you used to love your skinny jeans and you are missing them. Do get these flared ones, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So this is how these ones look if I follow the loose and the tight formula. Adding the third color with these two, so that's strappy sandals and this bag. Final touches, so I've already worn the jewelry and everything. I'll roll up my sleeves, so that's gonna make a huge difference because you can see the slimmest part of my arms, so that kind of makes everything proportionate even though the shirt is loose. So I think I've covered most of the outfits, but one of my favorite outfits is, you wouldn't believe, I love something which is oversized on the top along with oversized at the bottom, but still I follow these rules to make it look good. So here I'm wearing loose denim. The shirt is oversized and it is definitely the 2/3 part, and this is the 1/3. This is like very loose, but bottom wear is loose. That's how I follow the tight loose rule. Yep, that's the final look. Last outfit, I will be wearing this oversized dress. So this is like a midi length dress. Because this color is just one color, we don't have to add like 2 more colors, just add 1 more color and you're good to go. So this is the oversized dress. आपको लग रहा होगा कि क्या ही पहन लिया है, but I really love this dress. It has got pockets, pretty nice. पहली चीज टाइट लूज वाला जो है वो हम we can use that formula here as well. If you have something like a nice belt in the same color palette, you can add a belt to enhance your waist. So tight loose wala option ho jayega, and then 1/3 and 2/3 wala bhi tick off ho jayega. I don't have anything to tie around my waist, so I'm gonna try something else. Probably I'll add a belt, but because I don't have a similar color belt, I'm just gonna wear my bag as crossbody, so that way it just gives my waist some definition. So I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna add the bag. थोड़ा सा कॉलर को ऐसे कर लेंगे, so it gives a little feminine touch, and I'm just gonna do that final touches वाला part, which is rolling up my sleeves. Yep, and I have put it crossbody, so it just gives a little bit of defined waist, and I'm just gonna add a similar color palette wala shoes, so it's gonna match and pull everything together. I have added these sneakers in the similar color palette, and yeah, even though it's oversized, you can see that I have still used this crossbody method to make it a little bit more proportionate. So thoda sa wo 1/3 2/3 rule follow ho raha hai, and also that tight loose method. I would recommend using the same color for your footwear and bag for a seamless look. It is also called a sandwich method if you want to adapt that. So yep, that's how this looks. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the process and the looks. Do check out the link for this amazing bag in the description box, and use my coupon code mentioned in the screen to get 30% discount. And also please do subscribe to my channel. Probably making a capsule wardrobe video in future, so if you want to get notified, do press the bell icon and get notified for my videos. So if you have any suggestions, do mention it in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you on that. And if you have any questions related to this bag or styling related questions, you can always ask me in the comments, and I'll get back to you on that. So yeah, that being said, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.